In this video, we will learn about types of gears. A gear is a rotating machine part having cut teeth which mesh with another tooted part to transmit power. Types of gears. There are four main types of gears as shown in this chart. Let us explain all types one by one. Number 1. Spur gear. Spur gears have teeth parallel to the axis of rotation. These are used to transmit motion from one shaft to another parallel shaft. Of all types, spur gear is the simplest and most commonly used type. These are used to increase or decrease the speed of a device or multiply torque. Number 2. Helical gear. Helical gears have teeth inclined to the axis of rotation. When two teeth on a helical gear system engage to each other, the contact starts at one end of the tooth. This contact gradually spreads as the gear rotates, until the two teeth are in full engagement. This gradual engagement makes helical gears operate much more smoothly and quietly than spur gears. Because of the angle of the teeth on helical gears, they create a thrust load on the gear when they mesh. Number 3. Bevel gear. Bevel gears are toothed rotating machine elements that are used to transfer mechanical energy between intersecting shafts. These are used where the axes of the two shafts intersect. The tooth-bearing faces of the gears themselves are conically shaped. Bevel gears are most often mounted on shafts that are 90 degrees apart, but can be designed to work at other angles as well. The pitch surface of bevel gears is a cone as shown in this animation. Bevel gears are further divided into three types. Number 1. Straight bevel gears. Straight bevel gears have conical pitch surface. The teeth are straight and tapering towards apex. Number 2. Spiral bevel gears. Spiral bevel gears have curved teeth at an angle allowing tooth contact to be gradual and smooth. Number 3. Hypoid bevel gears. Hypoid bevel gears are similar to spiral one, but the pitch surfaces are hyperbolic and not conical. The pinion can be offset above or below the gear center, thus allowing larger pinion diameter, longer life, and smoother mesh. If the beveled surface is made parallel with the axis of rotation, this configuration resembles a worm drive. Hypoid gears were widely used in automobile rear axles. Number 4. Worm gear. A worm gear is a gear consisting of a shaft with a spiral thread that engages with and drives a toothed wheel. The worm resembles a screw. Worm gears are used when large gear reductions are needed. Worm itself rotates about its axis and consequently rotates the gear on which it is meshed. Worm gears have an interesting property that no other gear set has. The worm can easily turn the gear, but the gear cannot turn the worm. Thanks for watching. We help students in preparing their exams and assignments. For more informative videos, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also follow Newses at Facebook and Instagram.